Hi guys, I was given this auto welding helmet from the seller so I could show you all its cool features. Let's go ahead and take it out of the box and so you can see which. All right, here's the helmet. Looks like we got two spare visors here. All right, this is what it looks like. It's got the protective plastic on it. Go ahead and take that off. It's got the adjustable head strap. And there's a protective plastic on this one, on the inside lens. It has adjustable sides here for your head strap. It has all of your settings over here, whether you're welding, cutting, or grinding. That's kind of cool. Here's the delay, whether you want a fast delay or a slow delay. And it's got high and low settings. And this is the shade adjustment right here. Let me throw it on, show you what it looks like. All right, so it looks pretty good. So you go ahead and flip it up. So right now, while I'm not welding, I can see right through it. So that's great. And then as soon as I start welding, it'll darken, so it doesn't hurt my eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and get my welder out and show you how it works. Okay, I wanted to show you what it looked like when it auto darkened. It works great, doesn't it? And you stop welding and the auto darkening turns off. All right, you saw how quickly it auto dimmed right there. This is great for MMA, TIG, MIG, grinding. It has that switch for welding, cutting, or grinding. It also comes with two extra guards here. So if you get one that has a bunch of splatter marks on it, you can replace it if it goes bad. We also have two extra square replacement shields here. It has the instructions, and it does come with a bag to keep it nice and clean when you're not using it. You guys need an automatic welding, grinding, cutting helmet. This is the one to get. It works great. Thanks.